What if I told you that somewhere out there, gliding silently across the deep blue, there are floating cities worth more than an entire skyline? Yachts so enormous, so technologically advanced, and so absurdly luxurious, they redefine what it means to live like a billionaire. From swimming pools that transform into helipads to walls made of meteorite stone, we're not just talking about boats. We're talking about the ultimate symbols of human extravagance and engineering power. Welcome to Vistarum, where we explore the world's most advanced machines and the stories behind them. Today, we're diving into the top 10 most expensive and luxurious super yachts ever created. And trust me, number 1 will blow your mind. 7 Seas, $200 million. Let's begin with 7 Seas, a stunning 85-meter ocean giant built by Ocean Co. in 2010 and redesigned in 2016 for even greater perfection. With a displacement of 2,150 tons, this yacht can hit speeds up to 20 knots, gliding effortlessly across the sea like a bullet of elegance. It accommodates 14 guests in pure comfort, attended by 23 professional crew members ready to serve every desire. Inside, it's a cinematic paradise. Literally. A private movie theater, infinity pool, panoramic decks, and handcrafted wooden interiors designed to reflect natural light like an art piece. You can't rent it, you can't charter it. 7 Seas is invitation-only luxury. Octopus, $200 million. Next, we have Octopus, and this one is a legend. Built for Microsoft co-founder Paul Allen, it's not just a yacht, it's a floating research laboratory. At 126 meters long and nearly 10,000 tons, Octopus can cross oceans while hosting scientific missions, rescue operations, and deep-sea exploration. It features 2 helipads, a recording studio, a basketball court, an open-air jacuzzi, and even 2 fully functional submarines for exploring the ocean floor. With 19,200 horsepower and space for 26 guests and 56 crew, Octopus was once used in the Explore Earth project by Google Earth itself. It's a ship that merges technology, adventure, and elegance, an explorer's dream made real. Mirqab, $250 million. The Mirqab, built in 2008, is elegance in motion. Once the largest and most graceful yacht of its time, it belongs to Qatar's former prime minister. Inside, you'll find 10 luxurious suites, each with a private lounge, double bedrooms, and marble bathrooms, all designed to reflect Arabian luxury and European precision. It can host up to 24 guests, plus 55 crew, ensuring royal treatment at every moment. Add to that a cinema, sun decks, a helipad, jacuzzis, and a solarium. It's basically a 5-star hotel that moves. Pelorus, $300. De million Pelorus, a word meaning vast or immense. This 115-meter marvel was originally built for a Saudi businessman, then sold to Russian billionaire Roman Abramovich, who made it even more impressive. He added new stabilizers for smoother sailing, a second helipad, and a redesigned exhaust system to make it whisper quiet. Pelorus has 19 knot speed, 46 full-time crew, and 2 small landing crafts for beach escapes. The interior, a blend of Italian marble, soft leather, and hand-painted murals that make you forget you're even on water. This isn't just a yacht. It's a statement that power and beauty can float. A, $323 million, simple name, insane yacht. The A, designed by Philippe Starck, is the definition of futuristic luxury. Its mirrored steel hull and angular design make it look like a stealth submarine straight out of a sci-fi movie. Inside, it's another world. 6 convertible guest suites that can become 4 massive rooms with sliding walls, a nightclub-level sound system, and 3 swimming pools including one with a glass floor. Everything you touch feels like art. Furniture made of crystal, glass tables shaped by French artisans, and lighting that changes tone with the sunset. At 120 meters long, it's more spaceship than ship. Serene, $330 million. Owned by Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman, Serene is often called the floating palace, and for good reason. This 134-meter super yacht combines military-grade engineering with royal aesthetics. It hosts up to 24 guests and 52 crew. The features list sounds like a dream. 2 helipads that transform into dance floors, a seawater pool, a snow room, a spa complex, a submarine, and even a children's play area bigger than most apartments. Serene's glass observatory room lets you watch marine life glide beneath the waves. Imagine sipping coffee while sharks swim below your feet. It's not just a yacht, it's an experience. Topaz, 527 million at 147 meters, Topaz dominates the ocean like a silver titan. Built for Sheikh Mansour of Abu Dhabi. Yes, the same man behind Manchester City. This yacht was designed for global prestige. It's equipped with 2 diesel generators powering every electronic system, a massive pool deck, 2 helipads, a gym, a full-sized cinema, and even a private conference hall. The interior feels like stepping into a futuristic desert palace, filled with panoramic glass, chrome finishes, and handcrafted Arabic art. At night, the underwater lighting system turns the sea around Topaz into a glowing halo of turquoise, a vision straight from another world. Azzam, $650 million. When it launched, Azzam redefined the super yacht category. Built by Lürssen in Germany, it's 180 meters long, longer than some cruise ships, and capable of reaching over 30 knots, making it the fastest mega-yacht ever built. Its design took 4 years, its construction took 3, and the result is nothing short of architectural perfection. The French designer Christophe Léonie created the interior in an imperial style reminiscent of 19th century palaces. Gold trim, marble floors, and soft royal tones. It's not just the largest, it's one of the most technically complex vessels ever made. Azzam is what happens when a nation's pride meets limitless wealth. Eclipse, $1.5 billion. Roman Abramovich's Eclipse is the stuff of legend, both for its size and its secrets. At 164 meters, it's the world's second-largest yacht, loaded with 24 guest cabins, 2 pools, a disco, and a mini-submarine that can dive 50 meters deep. But here's where it gets wild. Eclipse has missile defense systems, bulletproof glass, and an anti-paparazzi laser shield that detects camera lenses and blinds them with infrared light. Even the master bedroom is armored like a fortress. Crew members keep this beast running, maintaining a level of privacy and protection unmatched on any other private vessel. History Supreme, $4.5 billion, and now, the grand finale, the History Supreme, the most expensive yacht ever built. Priced at $4.5 billion, this 30-meter yacht is smaller than others on the list, but its value comes from what it's made of: pure gold and platinum. Over 100,000 kilograms of precious metals were used in its construction. From the hull to the staircase rails, from the anchor to the dining table, everything shines with gold. The master suite has a wall made of genuine meteorite stone and a statue carved from real Tyrannosaurus rex bones. Yes, you heard that right. There's also a 67-kilogram gold aquarium, a $45 million liquor bottle decorated with an 18.5-carat diamond, and a custom iPhone covered in 500 diamonds, including a rare pink 7.4-carat gem on its home button. It's not a yacht, it's a myth that floats. So, which one would you sail across the world with? The research-driven Octopus, the Futuristic A, or the Golden History Supreme? Let me know in the comments. I'm genuinely curious which dream ship fits your soul. If you loved exploring this world of impossible luxury and next-level engineering, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Because here on Vistarum, we don't just show machines, we show the future of human imagination. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and remember, luxury may float, but legends never sink.